Hello everyone, your Excel wizard here today teaching you about the right function in Excel. The right function is a very simple formula, so this should be a short video, but as always, we'll go up here into our function arguments box and see that the right function returns the specified number of characters from the end of a text string. So for example, my text string right now is going to be A, B, and C, just the letters A, B, and C. And I want to return the right two characters from this text string, so it should end up with just BC. So I hit OK, and of course it will return BC. But most people won't use this formula like this. They'll have a data set that they want to just automate getting the right however many number of characters. So doing that with this example, we'll type in our formula as always and select cell A1 as our text. And I want, again, the right two characters from this cell. I want whatever's after that decimal point right there. So I click cell A1 as my text, comma, put in 2 for my number of characters and hit enter. And of course it will return me this 2,5. If I drag this formula down to the other cells, of course we will get the 7,5 and the 3,3. And that's really all there is for the right function. It's very simple, like I said. You can also do the same thing with the left function. I've got another video on that, another simple video. But as far as this one goes, thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more simple Excel functions or more intermediate or advanced Excel functions, I've got series on all of those. So please check those out, and thank you for watching.